Hi guys, I'm Vagisha and it's raining, yay! And it's really cold. And Shah Rukh Khan's movie Raees came out yesterday and I went to watch it first day, not first show, and I really liked it. So this is a review of Raees. No authority on movies or films. I am just a watcher. I am just a fan. I'm just the audience. So please, okay, and this is not an expert review. This is just my honest opinion about the film. So first of all, let's talk about the plot. The plot is basically about this guy who lives in Gujarat, and Gujarat is a dry state, as you know. So Raees, the protagonist, played by Shah Rukh Khan, is an illegal liquor smuggler who works from Gujarat, and his best friend is Zeeshan Ayyub, whom you saw probably in Ranchana as Dhanush's best friend. Music of the movie is quite nice, and there are few songs which are already chartbusters like Laila. Zalima are also pretty good, and the movie felt very good. You know, when you sit down and watch the movie, it was very entertaining. As his performances are concerned, Shah Rukh Khan obviously does a great job as Raees. He is obviously the king of Bollywood, there is no denying that, and I am a big fan, so I might be biased. But if you watch the movie, you would agree that he has done a great job. He really makes Raees look larger than life, and obviously very, very handsome, very smart, wearing those frames and with kajal in his eyes. He just looks wow. Mahira Khan, who plays Raees's love interest and later wife in the movie. I would say her role was not very big. She had a minor role, but nevertheless, I think whatever lines, whatever roles, whatever scenes she had, she was okay. Nothing out of ordinary, but definitely not bad. So okay, average. Previous movies that he has done, but I would say in this movie he was kind of wasted, and I think that kind of happens when you are playing a sidekick to somebody who is as huge as Shah Rukh Khan. So he did not have a lot of great dialogues or a lot of great scenes, but whatever frames that he was in, he was amazing.
हिसाब चाहिए तुझे? क्या हिसाब दूं रईस? तेरे इलेक्शन पे जो खर्चा हुआ है उसका? या फिर एकड़ जमीन पर अपनी दुनिया बना रहे हैं उसका?
Atul Kulkarni, whom you would remember as Ram Prasad Bismil from Rang De Basanti. I don't know if you are a movie buff like I am, but I really liked his performance in Rang De Basanti. He is also in this movie in a major character, and he does a very good job at it. He has always been a good actor. All the other minor characters, all the other actors in the movie have done a fairly good job, and I think all the credit goes to the director, because the entire cast was, the entire cast performed well.
ऊपर से लेकर नीचे तक के पुलिस वालों को मैं पाल रहा हूँ सालों से, और फिर भी मेरे माल पर बुलडोजर चलेगा.
And of course, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, what to say about him? He is a great actor, and ever since he has started doing these really nice roles, he just does a great job in whatever he does. So he had a lot of great lines as well. He had a lot of amazing scenes as well, and his character was very interesting. So I mean, he did a great job. He did complete justice to his character, and he's a delight to watch.
जिसको तू धंधा बोलता है ना, crime.
The movie is directed by Rahul Dholakia, and I think he has done a very decent job because the movie is very crisp. It is very fast-paced movie, and at no point do you feel bored. At no point do you feel that the movie is slagging or that, you know, where is this story going. Nothing like this happens. Each and every moment is interesting. It is involving, engrossing. You do enjoy the movie completely. That you will definitely notice is that it is a full masala Bollywood blockbuster movie which has everything. It has romance, it has a lot of action, it has power-packed performances, it has heroes, it has villains, it has politics, it has everything you know, packed into one power-packed movie, and that kind of keeps you engrossed. Though for somebody like me the action was a bit too much, but I'm sure everybody enjoyed it. Even I enjoyed it, so it was all good. The movie does give us a few memorable dialogues. Can you hear the clouds? I hope you can. It's amazing weather. Okay, coming back. The movie does give us a few interesting dialogues, memorable dialogues, which you would remember, like this Miyan Bhai ki daring and Baniyega Dimag. So you would surely like the dialogues of the movie.
शेरों का ज़माना होता है.
होटल में बेच के कॉलोनी बना रहा है, इससे ज़्यादा लीगल क्या होगा?
The film also gives us an interesting take on all the burning issues like politics, the police system, the Hindu-Muslim unity, these kind of topics. So I think that is a very good part. It definitely forces you to think.
हिंदू ना मुसलमान, सब हमारे लोग. ना किसी मोहल्ले का लंगर बंद होगा, ना अपनी दुनिया का काम. ऐसा मैं लेके आऊँगा.
So guys, if you have made it this far with this video, I'm really glad that you watched the entire video. If you liked it, I would really appreciate if you give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel, and I would love to post more such interesting videos. Do comment below and tell me if you want me to make any specific videos, and if you like this review, do share it with your friends. So you got to do a lot of things, and you also have to go watch the movie. So get set, go.